Here we will write a program to add two buttons with Tkinter and display appropriate message. So first in comment line we will write. Here we will add two buttons for message and quit. So first we will import Tkinter as Tk. Then we will create a root window as tk.tk. Then we will set height and width for this root window. So root.geometry width 250 by 250. Then we will add a frame. So frame equal to tk.frame for root window. And we will use frame.pack. Then we will add button. So b1 equal to tk.button. Since we are adding the button on frame, so root window will be frame here. Then we will type the text that we are going to display on the button as message. Then we will set the foreground color to sky blue. And here we will add a command to display a message. For this we will write a function display message. And we will set this button to the left side of the frame. So b1.pack side equal to tk.left. Then we will add another button. So b2 equal to tk.button. Root window will be frame. Text will be quit. Foreground color will be red. And command will be root.destroy. The root.destroy command, the root.destroy function closes the root window. Then we will add this b2.pack side. I will give here bracket. So b2.pack equal to tk.left. And then we will write a function display message. So here I will write a function as def display message. And here I will write welcome to learn GUI in Python. And we will add main loop as root.main loop. Here I will give side and I will execute. Here two buttons are added on the frame as message and quit. If I click on this message, it will display a message welcome to learn GUI Python. Since we have used print function, it will display the message welcome to learn GUI in Python here. And if we click on quit, it will close the window. That is, first we have imported the Tkinter as Tk, then we have written a function display message in which we are going to print welcome to learn GUI in Python. Then we have created root window as tk.tk and we have set the geometry for this root window as 250 by 250, which is a width and height of this root window. Then we have created a frame for this root window and we have added two buttons b1 and b2 on this frame. b1 is used for displaying the message and b2 is used to close the window.